Michael, what does the fox say?
Ring ding 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 ding.
Good day everyone and welcome to Adventures with Parker. Today we are joined by Michael again.
Hi.
And today we're going on yet another hiking adventure. Where are we, Michael?
Pittock Conservation Area in Woodstock.
Yeah. We tried to do this hike a couple days ago, but then this happened. Oh my gosh, it's starting to rain. So yeah, we're gonna try again now that it's nice and sunny and not rainy at all. So yeah. We also have these painted rocks that we did. They're so cool and so fun. And we're gonna hide them along the trail because that's the thing here in Woodstock, to paint rocks and then hide them and find them.
Hashtag Woodstock rocks.
So we're gonna explore and see what we can find and hide some rocks. So without any further ado, let the adventures begin. First up, we have this rock by Michael. This one we actually hid on that rainy day when we were here before. So yeah, I thought I'd show it to you guys now before we continue on with today's adventure. All right, we found our place to hide our first rock. Sailboat. I made this one. Where are we gonna hide it?
Right here.
Okay. Cool. So it looks like there's a frisbee golf course here, like from Zoe 101. I like trains.
It's a train. Gee, thanks.
So it looks like we have two options. We love forks in the road. So we can either go this way, which crosses the dam, or we can continue straight ahead off into the unknown.
Into the unknown. I think the dam.
The dam?
Yeah, dam.
Oh, damn. Okay. Here we go. So the reservoir that you see behind us is actually part of the Thames River, the very same river that we saw in the last hiking vlog. All right, we are on the dam. Damn. And we have our next rock to hide. This one made by the one and only Michael. It's a lighthouse and we're gonna hide it here on the dam. We found a painted rock, not from us, but from someone else. It's a cupcake.
So we're gonna re-hide it, because that's the custom. Look how cute it is.
And we're gonna leave a rock in its place. This is one that I did. Plant a tree.
10 out of 10 message.
Yes.
I approve.
So yeah, we're gonna take the rock that we found and we're gonna find another place to hide it further down on the trail. All right, so we have officially left the Pittock Conservation Area and now we're walking on the sidewalk down a road because we are continuing on the trail that extends to the, what was it called?
Standard 2 Park.
That. So we're going to be exploring a bit of that park on those trails. So yeah, that's where we're going. Stay tuned because we have more rocks to hide there. All right, so here's a new hiding spot from that one cupcake rock that we found. We're just kind of off the entrance to the trail.
Someone else can hide it in the trail.
Exactly. Road work ahead.
I sure hope it does.
Something cool about all the parks and trails here in Woodstock is that they have these little sign things here at the entrance to the trails. So there's a nice little map that shows you where you are and where you can go, and it gives some information, including the history and features and some of the wildlife that you can find.
Don't forget water, it's important.
True.
Stay hydrated, kids.
We found another rock. You're just as sane as I am. I love it. That's cute. We're gonna put our rock here to replace it. I think ours is pretty cute too. It has a fox on it. I'm not just cute, I'm foxy. Michael, what does the fox say?
Ring ding 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 ding.
And there's that rock we found right here by this lovely little bubbling brook. Bubbling brook. Oh look, a wild Michael.
Bug, bug, bug. I'm afraid of bugs.
Ooh, it looks like the trail goes into a really deep, dark part of the wood.
Scary, scary.
Okay, well this is cool. We have a boardwalk going into who knows where. The unknown, if you will.
Into the unknown.
Then there's a little bridgey thing. All right, so we were actually heading in the opposite direction of where our car is. And as you can probably tell, the sun is starting to go down. We don't want to be caught out in the trail after dark. So we are just heading back the way we came, and we're gonna make our way back home. There's obviously still a lot more trail over back there, so we might come back on another day. We'll see. That fox that we put here, it's gone. Someone found it. And just like us, that little rock is going on its own adventure.
It's gonna get re-hidden.
Yes. Well, would you look at that? A strawberry. Where should we hide this?
In my belly.
Disclaimer, Adventures with Parker does not condone eating rocks. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share, and all that wonderful YouTube stuff. Be sure to follow me on social media at adv_with_Parker. And you can follow Michael
On Instagram at ProMike7000.
Well, as always, remember to stay safe and remember that the adventure is calling.
Wash your hands, kids.
See you guys. Have fun.
Bubbling brook.
Shut up.